Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video, I have a designer summer shop haul with MYTHERESA. Back again with MYTHERESA. Thank you to this amazing brand for sponsoring this video. I got some really good designer stuff, especially for this upcoming summer season. Let's get right into it. I got this special MYTHERESA gift box. This is what all the orders can come in. I always say this in these videos. I love the presentation when it comes to luxury goods. They got everything packed really nice and neat right in here. Let's go. I'm just gonna open this up. Got one thing here. Got a shirt, one shoebox, and another one. First up, we got this bag over here. So it comes with this like garment bag. Let me take this out. Ooh. And here it is. This is the Valentino leather crossbody bag. I got this crossbody bag from Valentino in this black leather material, and I just love how sharp and classy this bag looks. And of course, we got the Valentino logo up in the front, VLTN. Very nice and clean, just black and white. And I also picked the color black because I can wear this with a lot of things. It matches with a lot of things in my wardrobe. When it comes to the crossbody bag, fanny pack, this has been a very popular trend the past few summers. So I'm finally hopping onto it. It's like really hot out. I'm just wearing a t-shirt and some shorts. It's kind of hard to like really style your outfit, right? So I think these kinds of bags add that little bit of extra accessory, add that kind of cool detail in your outfit. It's something that I can wear over and over again. And this one just hits the mark. I think it looks really sharp. I can wear this in the fall and winter season as well, when I'm wearing the suit, when I'm wearing like a coat. Leather material is definitely more formal and a lot sharper. You can really dress this up or down. Whereas the traditional like crossbody bags is like the fabric, cotton or nylon material. So that's definitely more on the casual side. But whereas this, I think I can really dress this up or down. So even if I'm wearing a very casual outfit, it's gonna look a lot sharper because of this leather material. You gotta get a pretty good size. Some bags are like so small, you can basically only fit your phone and your wallet. Whereas this, I can easily fit like a small camera. I can fit like a tripod stick in there. So for me, you know, I'm also thinking about content. Like I can fit quite a lot of stuff in this bag right here, which I can use throughout the day. But other bags that I really like from MYTHERESA as well, there was a really nice like Gucci crossbody bag, pretty similar to this. And of course, there's a lot of luxury brands that make bags now. So definitely go check them out. Next up, I'm gonna go with this box right here. We have a pair of shoes from Burberry. Open this up, let's see what we got. So this also comes with its own shoe bag. So we got the Burberry shoe bags in this like lime green color. So this next item right here I got is the Burberry espadrilles. This one right here, if you guys didn't know, the espadrille is a very popular shoes during the summer season. Definitely more of a casual shoe compared to like the leather or suede loafers. I also think this style of shoes is a little bit more sophisticated than like the boat shoes and of course just like flip-flops. So if you want something that's like closed toe but also casual and honestly so easy to wear because you kind of just slip in and out of these. I've had espadrilles from like a lot of brands in the past, so I figured now might be a good time for a designer upgrade because I know I'll get a lot of wear out of this. So with the Burberry, you got the signature Burberry stripes going across, so right away people know it's from Burberry. So that's what I like about designer items. Like I want to be able to tell it's from a designer brand and not just some random brand. I was pretty impressed by the structure and the materials that they use because traditionally, like espadrille is like all like fabric material, but on the inside of this one right here is all like leather lined. So I thought that was really nice and kind of sets it apart and makes sense why this is more of a luxury designer espadrille because it has like leather lined on the inside. This upper part is a little bit more firm, a little bit more structured than like the traditional pairs. And again, I think like also on the bottom, there's a little bit more cushion. So it's pretty well made, which I'm happy about because, you know, it is a Burberry espadrille. Also on the bottom, it's got the Burberry logo at the bottom here. So overall, very happy with this. This is also cool. You can kind of just push this down so you can literally just slip in and out. And then if you're like really walking around, of course, you gotta pop it up and wear it. So I got this in a size 44, which is a 11, and this fits perfectly for my size. These are the Burberry traditional stripe and colors, but I know this can match with a lot of things. I can wear black, I can wear white, and it's a tan overall color, so that goes with a lot of the more summery pieces that I have. And also got some red, so I think like the colors are perfect and it can match with a lot of things. All right, next we have a shirt here, so let me open this up. Next, we got an Oxford shirt from Thom Browne. Very excited for this because Thom Browne is one of my favorite designers and I love his pieces. So this one here, classic button-down Oxford shirt. I've been wanting this for a long time now. And these shirts are great because you can wear this as like a light layer piece in the summertime when a jacket is way too hot. These kinds of shirt, perfect. You know, if you're on vacation, coming out of the beach and you need a little bit of a cover up, you know, sometimes it's just too hot. You can't wear a jacket, cardigans is too much. So a shirt is all you really need. So I like these shirts as to wear on its own, but also as like a light layer, almost like a shirt jacket. So this one here is the classic Thom Browne button-down shirt. I got this in my size, a size 3, which is like a large. And here the main feature is the classic like Thom Browne stripes on the sleeve. And I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed because I thought this would just be like printed on the shirt, but these are actually different materials sewn on. And the way he had his like traditional stripes, this is similar to like how the blazers are made. So I have similar design but on blazers. So I gotta say, this is a lot better than I expected and I really love how this looks. So a simple white shirt that you can wear with so many things. And also these like red and the blue is very like nautical, so it can go with a lot of these like beach vibes, you know, by the water. I think like this just matches it perfectly. Last but not least, in the shop haul video, I got a pair of Birkenstock. Believe it or not, this is actually my first pair of Birkenstock and I'm pretty excited. So let's get into this. Open this up. Look in the box real quick. They have like all their shoes on the box, so that's kind of cool. So I gotta say, this is my first pair of Birkenstock because I've always been a hater. I honestly did not like how they look. I thought they were like just way too casual. It just didn't really fit my style. And I think what the traditional ones like the Arizona, I was just like, nah, I'm not touching that. But this pair I picked up, when I saw it, I was like, okay, now we're talking. This is my vibe right here. So here it is. This is my first pair of Birkenstock right here. This is their new design. This is the Kyoto model in the faded khaki color. So number one, what caught my attention is obviously the design. These are so different from like the traditional two-strap design from Birkenstock. Again, I am a hater. I just don't really like that like traditional Arizona style. But when I saw these, I thought, wow, this is a great design. This is really well done and kind of fitting that the name is Kyoto because it does make me think of like a Japanese design. I think this is like really well done. And this color too, this is the faded khaki, which earth tone colors like this match with everything. And I think like this, I can easily wear with all the things in my closet, especially the summer season, all the neutral colors with this. So this is just perfect. So here's how it is. So we got this like one big strap at the top. You can just kind of do that. And then there's this other piece at the bottom. And again, you can kind of just open this up and adjust it to how tight you want it to your feet. And then boom, there you go. So yeah, this is my first pair. I'm excited to be wearing these a lot in the summer season. Really like how these look. They look like a designer collab. It looks like they hired somebody from a fashion house and designed these. So I'm really impressed by this and they're kind of like the regular retail price. So definitely go check them out and get a pair for yourself. All right, there have you guys a summer designer shop haul video with MYTHERESA. Thank you to the brand for sponsoring this video again. And I'm very excited to pick up some of these new summer essential pieces that are just gonna elevate my style in the summertime, even when it's gonna be really hot. I think each one of these pieces are really essential to summer style, and you can definitely get something for yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.